Wherever you plant your heart, wherever you make your art, class is in session, Mrs. Scribbles.
Hey friends, my name is Miss Scribbles and class is in session. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil and let's do a gingerbread house. You're going to do a line going up and down on the left side and another line on the right side, same length. Perfect. Let's connect them at the top and at the bottom. These are gingerbread houses that you might see in the city somewhere. At the top, we're going to do a very skinny rectangle. And above that, I want you to add some clouds that are actually snow, but it just looks like a cloud sitting right on top of that skinny rectangle. Those swirly, curvy lines help it feel fluffy. Okay, let's do some windows. We're going to do some skinny rectangles with the smaller sides at the top and the bottom. I want you to match it on the right side. And then let's do two more under it. Try to make these the same size if possible. In the middle, I want you to do a line going up and down, and then a line going side to side. These windows are supposed to be identical, so if you've got one that's looking a little wonky, feel free to erase and try again. Okay, not at the bottom, but almost to the bottom, we're going to do a rainbow with a line right under it. Then we're going to do some stairs. So we're going to do skinny rectangles. We're going to do 4 skinny rectangles with each rectangle getting bigger and bigger as you go down. Do you see how it's getting wider? Amazing. Okay, let's do that bottom rectangle. I love how this is turning out. Let's do a window in our door so you can see out and see in. That's going to be a tiny rainbow with a line underneath. And then we're going to do a cross again. I did a small circle for a doorknob so you can get in and out. Okay, let's do 2 circles, one on each side of the window with a line going up and down and side to side. Amazing. I think this is looking so good. Let's do some window boxes below each of our windows. That's going to look like a skinny rectangle. You're going to want to pull it out a little bit wider than your window. Here is where we'll put flowers when it's not snowing. Okay, let's do gumdrops at the top of our gingerbread house. These are going to look like smiley faces. Do you see how I'm doing smiley faces? But do your best to make them all the same size. Okay, let's do the second part of our gingerbread house. We're going to go out, do a straight line, come all the way down, and bring it back in. You see how this side is a little bit shorter than the other side? Let's do one window going down. We're going to do 3 different levels. I'm making these more of a square shape. Okay, we did 3. You remember, we want these to look the same. So we're going to do a line going down on the right side and the left side. Okay, now for the center, you're going to do that line going all the way down and then 2 going side to side. So center line, side to side, side to side, center line, side to side, side to side. Amazing. I love how this is turning out. Let's do some gumdrops at the top, just like the first part of our gingerbread house. Make them the same size, guys. Above that, I want you to do a skinny rectangle again. And then on top of that, give me some fluffy snow. Feel free to pause, slow down. You can click that gear and change the speed. Okay, let's do a chimney. I bet it's cold in this city. We're going to do 2 lines in a skinny rectangle right on top with, you guessed it, some snow right on top of that. Let's do some straight lines across, and it is looking like a real chimney. Okay, let's do some bushes on the front of that right side. That's just gonna look like a bunch of rainbows. Some are small, some are big. You get to choose. Let's do 2 gumdrops on either side of our stairs. And then we're gonna add a candy cane. That's gonna look like a big hook that comes all the way out. With diagonal lines, while you're coloring, you can do every other space red and white. Let's do another one on the other side. I'm feeling very candy cane loving today. Have you ever had a candy cane? You gotta make sure you brush your teeth after because they are so sweet. Okay, let's do some stripes on our window boxes. Have you ever seen a gingerbread house look like this before? I don't know if I have, but I love doing gingerbread houses that reflect different houses in the world. Let's do some ornaments on the right side. You're going to do some circles and some lines going straight down from those gumdrops right at the top. Make sure your lines are straight. The last thing we're going to do is add a moon. It is nighttime wherever this gingerbread house is, so we're going to do a curved line and then another curved line right behind it, connecting at the points. Let's do a star, which is a diamond with curved lines on each side. I love it so much.
Friends, you did a great job. Let's add some color now.
Is in session, Mrs. Scribbles. Mrs. Scribbles.